Vijay, sir. Vijay.
News.
Okay. Yes. Hi, sir. Congrats for the 50th film.
Thank you, sir.
Recent heroes, you are doing a fast films. Like last 10 years, you did a 50 films. So how you getting? How and where you getting energy for that? Day and night you are working.
I'm not working day and night, sir. First of all, and then it's just passion, maybe love, and then the stories I heard. That's also nothing else. Sometimes emotional. See, when I was doing Upena, I don't have dates. But Bucci can't understand. Bucci was in so much love with me. And I also love the story. It was that those days were very difficult days. Bucci, if you ask Bucci, he will tell you, it was very difficult. Sometimes you get emotional connection with the director of the script. Sometimes it happens like that, but not always, sir. Because you need sleep end of the day. Okay.
And one more question. One more question. These 50 films, what are the best 5 films from you?
50 films, sir.
No, 5 films, you can say
sir,
that.
No. I'm responsible. The film is hit or flop, I'm responsible for it.
The
sir.
top rated 5 films.
No, nothing, sir. I'm responsible because I chose it. Yeah. My director directed, my producer produced it. Yeah. Whatever it may be. Whether hit or flop, I am also responsible, and I love all my characters, sir.
And one word about the Pawan Kalyan. Pawan Kalyan, Power Star Pawan Kalyan.
My best wishes to Power Star, and I respect his hard work. I'm really happy for him. I heard there are so much trolls for him when he was contesting. That man won. I saw that where he touches in the that was. This man is real life also. He's very mass and that consistency. Whatever happens, he is not a hero in somebody's story, and he's a hero in his own story, in his real life. See, you have to have that mental strength. I don't know about Pawan Kalyan sir. I don't know anything about him, but there are a few Telugu people who were in my WhatsApp status. They kept Power Star ka video status. It was there and నేను చూసాను. తర్వాత అడిగాను, what happened? I didn't follow this, but what happened? Then they told me so many things. Then I come to know that this man is mass not only in the films and in real life also, because those who can face these kind of trolls or memes or what do you call teasing and everything, still you have a strong mental, because every day this phone is there with you and people around you. Suppose if any gossip, any bad things comes about me, even I may not see that, I may come out from it, but the people around me come and show me that, see, this is what they're saying, this is what they're doing to you, this is how they promote you. That time also you have to have that mental health. This man faced everything and now finally he showed no.
Pawan Kalyan garu, can we expect you in the politics?
Sir, don't continue the question, sir. Cut that question there.
Tamil politics also, there is a Vijay name is there.
Sir, stop that question, sir. Politics.
Thank you.
I came from Maharaja.
సేతుపతి గారు, మీరు అడిగినట్టు ఈ సినిమా గురించి అడుగుతా. ఇప్పుడు నార్మల్గా ఇప్పుడు 50 ఫిల్మ్స్ చేసి మీరు చాలా గొప్ప యాక్టర్గా పేరు తెచ్చుకున్న తర్వాత మీరు ఎంతో కొంత ఈ సినిమాకి యాడ్ అవుతారు. మీ ఇమేజ్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. మిమ్మల్ని వాచ్ చేస్తూ స్టోరీని వాచ్ చేస్తారు, సినిమాని వాచ్ చేస్తారు. కానీ మీరు కెరీర్ బిగినింగ్లోనే ఇలాంటి సినిమా గనక మీకు వచ్చి మీరు చేస్తే స్టిల్ ఈ సినిమాని చూస్తారండి?
తప్పకుండా చూస్తారు సార్, తప్పకుండా చూస్తారు. విజయ్ సార్ మీకు ఎక్కువ సార్ బ్రెయిన్ ఇంత ఫాస్ట్గా పని చేయట్లేదు సార్. సార్ ఎందుకంటే మీరు ట్రైలర్ చూసారు కదా సార్, మీరు ట్రైలర్ చూస్తే మీకు నచ్చిందంటే నా తప్ప వేరే ఎవరైనా యాక్ట్ చేస్తారు కూడా చూస్తారు కదా, ఎందుకంటే ట్రైలర్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంప్రెసివ్. బికాస్ దట్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపన్ టు పిజ్జా, రైట్? దట్స్ వాట్ హ్యాపన్ టు నడులో కొంచెం. సో సేమ్ వే దిస్ ట్రైలర్ విల్ ఇంప్రెస్ యూ. మేబీ ఫిల్మ్ బడ్జెట్ మే బీ వెరీ లో బడ్జెట్, బికాస్ దట్ టైమ్ దర్ ఇస్ నో మార్కెట్. Because I have a little market, higher market, so we recreated and we did this from a bigger budget. We got so many actors like Abhrami, Mamta, Anurag sir, and so Singambuli sir. There are so many actors, Munish Kant, Natti sir. So we have very big cast and crew is there. So because of the market I have. So earlier time, maybe everybody is very small actors, maybe a little like that. But the story and the making will pull the audience. That's what I believe.